Hey everyone, thanks for checking out our video. Today we'll be doing a water pump replacement on this Audi A4 2.0, and I highly recommend switching to this aluminum style water pump here instead of going with the Audi Volkswagen plastic pump that's we've seen to be replacing quite often. They have issues. This aluminum pump is made in Germany. It is of very high quality. I really like the build on it. Normally we only recommend using Audi Volkswagen parts on a lot of these components on this car, but this is one where I actually prefer going aftermarket and getting this aluminum style pump here. Really good pump. We've installed quite a few of them, never had any issues with them. So yeah, that's a tip. I think if you're looking to do a water replacement job on your Audi 2.0, look to switch to the aluminum style pump, which is readily available. Like I said, it is made in Germany. It's very high quality. Yeah, thanks for checking out our video, and please like, comment, subscribe for any Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche repair tips. Thank you.